Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Mann Baawra. Today's in this video I am going to show you a very simple and easy painting, boho painting. Boho painting आप सभी मीडियम से बना सकते हैं, but when you are doing this painting on MDF board, then you have a option only two medium. First one is oil color and the second one is acrylic color. So here I am using acrylic color. Materials required in this painting. This is a round MDF board. This type of board are easily available in the market. आप चाहें तो different shapes का भी MDF board use कर सकते हैं. Brushes required in this painting. Here I am using only two type of brushes. First one is flat brush and the second one is round brush. And here I am using instruments of mandala artwork. This is optional. Okay, let's get started. For the basic coat, here I divided this painting into three parts. As you see, in the first part, here I am using Persian blue. Please do not use water in it. Take color and apply gently on the board. The first part is completed. Now coming on the second part. Here I am using cerulean blue, the lighter shade of blue, and also doing same thing. Take color and apply gently on the board. Okay, the last one in the middle part of the board. Here I am using portrait pink and white. As you see, take small amount of portrait pink and white, mix it well and apply gently on the board. If you see any brush strokes, then you can put another layer of color. Okay, now the basic coats are completed. Coming on the second part. As you see, I draw some leaves and some different designs. Designs is totally depends on you. Choose your own design and draw it. If you like our video, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel.